Hello everyone, my name is Kalpesh Jadhav, the first year student of Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management Studies. So today I'm gonna tell you some tourist places in Mahabaleshwar that you should definitely visit.
First, Ketus Point. Ketus Point is the most picturesque photograph of Mahabaleshwar. The photo above looks like elephant head or needle hole, which is truly a wonder of nature. Ketus Point is named after the British governor Sir John Malcolm's daughter. Children can enjoy camel, horse ride, merry-go-round, etc. Second, Arthur Seat Point. Arthur Seat is the most popular point in Mahabaleshwar. Popularly known as Queen of the Points, Arthur Seat is famous for floating of light objects. If you throw light things like cold drink cap in the valley, it comes up again due to air pressure. From Arthur Seat Point, one can see picturesque vista having Konkan on one side and Deccan on the other. This point is named after Arthur Mallet, who lost his wife and 1-month-old daughter in a tragic ferry accident in Savitri River. Third, Elphinstone Point. Elphinstone Points offer great view of Pratapgarh Fort and valleys of river Koyna and Savitri. Elphinstone Point was discovered in 1830 by Dr. Murray. This point got its name from Mount Stuart Elphinstone, then governor of Bombay Presidency. Fourth, Parsi Point. Parsi Point is on Mahabaleshwar-Pajgani Road. Parsi Point offers spectacular views of mountain, Krishna Valley and backwaters of Dome Dam. Parsi Point also has small park for children to play. Fifth, Lodwick Point and Elephant Head Point. Lodwick Point area has 2 points in total, Lodwick Point and Elephant Head Point. Generally, Lodwick was the first British officer to climb the hill. To honor General Lodwick's achievement, his son erected a memorial pole of about 25 feet. Near Lodwick Point, extended front part of hill looks like elephant head. Hence, this point is known as Elephant Head Point. This point offers unmatched views of Pratapgarh Fort and Elphinstone Point at a distance. Sixth, Pratapgarh. Pratapgarh Fort is definitely a must-see tourist attraction for tourists. Pratapgarh is one of 3 most famous forts of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. In famous battle of Pratapgarh, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj killed Afzal Khan and defeated his army despite being outnumbered. Pratapgarh is privately owned by Chhatrapati Udyanraje Bhosle, who is descendant of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Pratapgarh used to host Diwani Khas during the time of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Pratapgarh Fort was built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in the period 1656 to 1659. 7th, Venna Lake. Venna Lake is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Mahabaleshwar. Venna Lake is man-made lake and not a natural lake, constructed in 1942 by Chhatrapati Shri Appa Sahib Maharaj. Raw and pedal boats are available for the tourist. Horse riding, fun-fair games like toy train, merry-go-round are popular with children. Venna Lake Chowpatty stalls serve typical Chowpatty food. 8. Mapro Garden. Mapro Garden is a very popular tourist spot in Mahabaleshwar. Mapro premises has chocolate factory, a small nursery, a restaurant serving delectable food, children's play area and retail outlet selling Mapro products. Mapro is short form of Mahabaleshwar products. 9th, Strawberry Farm. A trip to Mahabaleshwar would be incomplete without a visit to Strawberry Farm in the land of strawberries. One can visit Strawberry Farm during the period between December to April. In the month of March-April, the Mapro Strawberry Festival at Mapro Garden has become a much awaited annual event.
Thank you so much.